Hi and Assalamualaikum to Dr. and our classmate. So today our group 2 will be presented about knowledge management. So our group project title is Enhancing Knowledge Management for Optimal Performance in Underground Cable Installation, a case study of Worklineengineering Sdn. First of all, let's introduce our company team members. I'm Iza Eliana, my matric number is 284327. Next is Nurul Nadra, matric number is 284201. Next, Al-Farizi Fadila, matric number is 276391. Next, Fatiha Zafri, matric number 284264. And the last one is Sakina Abdullah. Her matric number is 27729269. So for the table of content, we're going to talk about introduction, knowledge audit, analysis of knowledge types, analysis of existing knowledge management processes and tools, recommendation for improving knowledge management, implementation
It also
of
aims to
knowledge
lay
management
the
system,
foundation for
and
a
the last
more
one we're
robust
going to
knowledge
conclude all the
management system
subtopics.
by assessing both explicit and
As an
implicit
introduction,
knowledge
this
assets.
project focuses
Knowledge
on
auditing
evaluate
is
and enhance
conducted
the
through a
knowledge
combination of
management practices
quantitative
of
and qualitative
Worklineengineering
methods.
Sdn,
So the
a
knowledge
Malaysia-based
assets
company
for
specializing in
Worklineengineering in
electrical
terms of
engineering
explicit
contracting,
knowledge
building
include
contracting, and general
well-documented
trading and supplies.
procedure,
Our
technical
primary objective is
specification and
identify
project
opportunity for
reports.
improving
This
knowledge
organization
creation,
have
sharing
value
and
tested
reuse
knowledge
within the
especially
organization
for
through a
experienced
comprehensive
employees.
knowledge audit and
So the
analysis
company
of
are well
existing
aware that
processes
there
and
is
tools.
a
We aim
significant
to
risk
develop
of losing
practical
critical
recommendations
knowledge
that
and
will optimize
expertise if
knowledge
employees
utilization,
retire or
foster
leave the
collaboration,
company.
improve
Therefore,
decision-making, and
mentoring
ultimately
and training
enhance
programs are in
Worklineengineering's
place, but
competitive
we
position in the
can further
marketplace.
improve to ensure effective knowledge transfer.
Next, we will move to analysis of knowledge types. Both explicit and tacit knowledge assets have been found in the Worklineengineering Sdn organization following a knowledge audit. First is explicit. Detailed instruction, technical specification, and project report are examples of explicit knowledge. This has proven that the organization has successfully managed its explicit knowledge assets. Technical specification, standard operating procedure, and project report are examples of the explicit knowledge asset that this system make sharing easier.
Next is tacit. The knowledge that is possessed by seasoned staff but is difficult to record is known as tacit knowledge. The expertise of experienced employees and problem-solving approaches are examples of tacit knowledge in the company. When it comes to encouraging cooperation between project teams and departments, this kind of knowledge exchange works well. The company has training and mentorship programs in place to facilitate effective information transfer from senior workers to junior staff in order to manage tacit knowledge. By doing this, the company may make sure that important tacit information is not lost when workers retire or leave the business. The goal of tacit knowledge analysis would have been to find hidden sources of information and skill within the organization. The third one is embedded knowledge. It is a knowledge that is integrated into procedure, system, or tools is referred to as embedded knowledge. It is frequently implicit and can be accessible with the use of technology or particular approaches. The project team may have assessed the efficiency of current system, methods, and technology during the study in terms of capturing and utilizing embedded knowledge. Last but not least, social knowledge. Social knowledge is knowledge that is produced and disseminated through social relationship, networks, and discussion. It's possible that the investigation looked at the social dynamic of workline engineering and determined how information is shared and used socially among staff members.
Okay, so we move to analysis of existing knowledge management processes and tools. And for the application that the company use is Infotech HRMS. But before that, let me explain the analysis. What is it about? The company's procedures, technical specification, and project reports are well documented. These indicate an organized strategy for managing implicit knowledge, which is required for standardizing process and maintaining consistency in project execution and quality. So our Worklineengineering Sdn understand that the importance of tacit knowledge, particularly that held by experienced staff. It is encouraging that employees make the effort to gather, document, and share tacit knowledge. This approach helps in maintaining critical knowledge and spreading it to others, which avoid knowledge silos. Next. So currently, knowledge is shared through informal channels such as face-to-face, phone call, online group meetings, and email exchange. While informal information sharing may foster collaboration and transparency, it can also be lacking in structure and consistency. Formalizing knowledge sharing method can help speed knowledge exchange and provide more systematic sharing of information. So the organization is aware of the risk of vital knowledge being lost when people retire or leave the company. The establishment of a mentoring and training program is a positive step, but their performance may require further evaluation to ensure that knowledge transfer is successful and knowledge retention is maximized. As knowledge management tools, Worklineengineering Sdn now use shared network drive, email system, and project management software such as Infotech HRMS. These tools are perfect for facilitating knowledge exchange and are user-friendly, allowing employees to conveniently access the knowledge. So this is a plus because the tools are already in the place. However, there may be an opportunity for enhancement and interaction with a more specialized knowledge management software. So as shown in the slide, the application Infotech HRMS stands for Information Technology Human Resource Management System. So it is a verified software for auto inclusion scheme (ICE) submission via API by the Worklineengineering Sdn, where it is a custom-built solution tailored to their needs and requirements. So the application combines several human resource functions and procedures into a single system, allowing for more efficient management of employee information, payroll processing notification to staff, managing career progression, compliance with the latest Ministry of Manpower, also known as MOM, policies, and benefits requirement, performance management, and other HR related tasks. So as you guys see here, there's a lot of features in the app. By using the application, the time attendance features let the company monitor their employees, clock in and clock out activities in real time, or the attendance. Cloud-based solution allows the employee to access their accounting anytime, anywhere, with real-time updates on financial activities, which integrate with the HRMS, Human Resource Management System, for quick and effortless data such as inventory management, quotation, invoicing, bills, purchase order, banking, tax, budgeting, and reporting. The company Worklineengineering Sdn also has an e-invoicing feature called Invoice Now, which is a nationwide initiative implemented to help the business improve efficiency, reduce costs, enjoy faster payment, and stay green at the same time. So with the use of software, the company can expect a streamlined invoicing process, faster payments, and a greener business. Overall, Worklineengineering Sdn existing knowledge management methods and system appear to have strength in terms of explicit knowledge documentation and capturing tacit information. But however, there is a opportunity for improvement in formalizing information sharing methods, improving knowledge transfer programs, and possibly adopting more specialized knowledge management system. So the comprehensive knowledge audit will provide a comprehensive understanding of these processes and tools, allowing for further analysis and the development of well-reasoned and practically recommendation for enhancing knowledge management practice within the organization. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Recommendation for improving knowledge management. To improve knowledge management within Worklineengineering Sdn, the following recommendations are provided. Firstly, enhance the existing knowledge management application. Our goal is to improve the user experience and increase productivity with improvements such as improved search capabilities, an intuitive user interface, collaborative workspace, seamless integration with other tools and systems, and AI-powered features such as auto-generated receipt or OCR that stand for optical character recognition. We estimate the budget for these enhancements to be between 30,000 to 60,000 ringgit Malaysia. Next, cost-benefit analysis for implementing a new knowledge management system. First, we will assess the effectiveness of our current system. Then, we will evaluate the potential benefit of a new system, such as increased productivity and collaboration. Finally, we will consider the cost of acquisition and implementation, which we estimate to be between 100,000 to 500,000 ringgit Malaysia. By conducting this analysis, we hope to make an informed decision that will benefit the organization in the long run. Third, comprehensive training on effective knowledge management practices. The goal is to train employees on system usage and navigation, teach techniques for capturing and documenting tacit knowledge, and encourage sharing of best practices within the system. We estimate the budget for this training session to be between 40,000 to 100,000 ringgit Malaysia. By providing this training, we hope to improve the overall effectiveness of our knowledge management system and increase productivity across the organization. Fourth, integration with existing systems. Our goal is to assess compatibility and feasibility of integration, streamline processes, and improve data consistency and enhance knowledge sharing and collaboration. We estimate the budget for this project to be between 60,000 ringgit Malaysia to 150,000 ringgit Malaysia. By integrating the system, we hope to improve the organization overall efficiency and productivity and create a more seamless experience for their employees. Lastly, continuously monitor and evaluate knowledge management system. The goal is to gather user feedback through surveys, track key performance indicator (KPIs), and incorporate improvements based on feedback and organizational needs. We estimate the budget for monitoring and evaluation to be between 20,000 to 40,000 ringgit Malaysia annually. By Continuously monitoring and evaluating our system, we hope to ensure that it remains effective and efficient and meets the needs of the organization.
Okay, I'm Alfarizi Muhammad Fadilah. 27691. I will do presentation about implementation of knowledge management system. This specific implementation idea for a knowledge management system at a Worklineengineering Sdn Berhad, a company specializing in electrical engineering contracting, building contracting, and general trading and supply. Point one is create a central repository for knowledge. This could be called a cloud-based platform, a wiki, or knowledge management system specifically designed for the construction industry. The repository should be easy to use and accessible to all employees regardless for the location or role. And point two is capture and store tacit knowledge. This type of knowledge is often difficult to capture but is essential for the success of knowledge management system. One way to capture tacit knowledge is talk interview with employees. Another way is to create a forum where employees can share their knowledge and experience. Organize a point three is organize and categorize knowledge. This will make it easier for employees to find the information they need. The KMS or knowledge management system should be organized by topic, project, or department. So the point four is index knowledge. This is will make it easier for employees to search for knowledge. The knowledge management system should be indexed by keywords, phrase, and concept. Point five is promote knowledge sharing. This is one of the most important aspects of knowledge management system. Employees should be uh, encouraged to share their knowledge with others. This can be done through training, incentive, and social media. And six, measure the effective of the knowledge management system. This will help you to determine whether the knowledge management system is meeting its goals. You can make sure the effective of the knowledge management system by tracking the following metric. One is the number of knowledge article create and share, and two, the number of times knowledge article are accessed, and then three, certification of knowledge with KMS.
In conclusion, effective knowledge management is crucial for Worklineengineering Sdn Berhad to enhance efficiency and competitiveness. The knowledge audit revealed valuable insight into the organization knowledge assets, while the analysis highlighted strengths in explicit knowledge documentation and informal knowledge sharing. By implementing the recommended actions, such as enhance the knowledge management application, providing comprehensive training and monitoring system effectiveness, Worklineengineering can strengthen in its practices, foster collaboration, and improve overall efficiency, positioning itself strongly in the market.